So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first, I thought it was just another fad, but she swore by it for her digestive issues. She'd been dealing with bloating and discomfort for years, and after starting the gelatin trick, she said she woke up feeling like a new person. No more morning puffiness, no more after-meal cramps. I was intrigued, so I decided to give it a shot. The gelatin trick is basically just adding a spoonful of gelatin to your morning routine, and it's been a game changer for me too. It's all about coating your gut with a soothing layer, making it easier for food to pass through, and reducing inflammation. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for months, now says she can eat foods she used to avoid without any issues. If you're curious about the gelatin trick and how it can bring you some much-needed digestive ease, check out the link in my description for a simple way to get started. I've also got a pinned comment with some helpful tips, so be sure to take a look and start your journey to a happier gut with the gelatin trick.